Everybody here have a compelling goal that they want to achieve badly? Well, your attitude will set the direction of your goal. Hi, I am Katie from Thailand, and this year I am 13 years old. Today I'm here to tell you stories about my goals. You might as well know that I love magic and that I am a huge Harry Potter fan. And I want to attend Hogwarts. Hogwarts is a fabulous school for witches and wizards. I just love the way they use magic to make life easier. The unique subjects, the moving portraits, the moving staircases, how things constantly appear, then disappear, how you can use fireplaces to communicate and get around. I wanted to go there so badly, so I studied all I could about Hogwarts, brought official robes and wands, spent a whole day trying to do magic, exploring Hogsmeade at Universal Studios, hoping and dreaming about going there to do magic. Unfortunately, there is no real Hogwarts that anybody knows of, so I can only keep dreaming. The serious dream that I do have is to sing with an orchestra. Imagine it, singing on a grand stage with a huge audience eagerly waiting for you, a large band full of different instruments, all waiting for the signal to launch into a melody for you to sing. The music sweeps you off your feet as your voice fills the hall. It's the best feeling for me ever. So, in order to achieve that dream, I take 1 to 2 singing lessons every week, and I practice nearly every day in order to sing new songs, to sing higher notes, and to be more precise, to get better and better at singing. I would also enter singing competitions, in which the grand prize would be to sing with an orchestra. I used to get stuck on the high note for a long time, but after practicing it for a long time, with many struggles, many thoughts of giving up, but with a positive mindset and continuous practice, I finally hit that note and now I can sing it in a sentence. But I still need to practice more and more to sing with an orchestra, so I will keep practicing. So as you can see, with constant practice, patience, and perseverance, and a positive mindset, I will in the future be able to sing with an orchestra. And of course, with the power of imagination and dreams, I would enter Hogwarts and learn magic in my dreams. So when you get home, or if you're already at home, well, write your goals down and then write the steps and plan how to achieve that goal. Remember, your attitude determines your direction. With the right attitude, the sky is the limit to your success. Thank you.